Beautiful facial skin with the Extractor tool of Siluno, optimal against impurities. Pimples and blackheads are annoying temporary impurities, which must be treated professionally so that they disappear and leave your face spotless. Who presses with his/her fingers and squeezes the impurities quickly realizes that your face now shows redness and you sometimes even create skin injuries. With the 5-part Siluno Blackhead Remover set you are perfectly equipped to make your skin shine again as new, without impurities. Top product of Siluno. Siluno knows what matters and provides you with tools that completely helps. It is an alternative to products of best dope. The 5-piece set helps you to remove pimples and blackheads in hard-to-reach places. Your skincare is simplified and more thoroughly than without the Blackhead Remover set. The items are easy and safe to handle. By corrugations on the handles, a stable grip for the fingers is created. This means that your hands do not slip while you take care of your skin. Wounds because of pressing and wringing pimples is a thing of the past. The stainless steel ensures a long lifetime of your Blackhead Remover set. Apply Siluno Blackhead Remover set. A professional facial treatment is made possible to the consumer. Before treatment you should clean your face and disinfect the equipment. Once the pimples are removed with the Extractor, provide a soft and nourishing cream to the skin for a soothing relief. Order the Siluno Blackhead set today, so that you too can enjoy a more beautiful facial skin yourself. Fight face impurities effectively. The Siluno Blackhead Remover set helps you to fight impurities and acne-prone skin professionally and effectively. By removing blackhead and pimples on the nose and other commonly affected areas of the face, you can save yourself a facial treatment at the beauty salon. Premium stainless steel material, the product features maximum dermatological quality guidelines. The complete set is made of stainless steel, so that you can enjoy our product worry-free. The set also comes in a practical storage case. 5 different tools, a variety of different tools for expressing impurities and to ensure that you always have the right remover and tool for optimal facial care at hand. Non-slip grip, an optimum facial is guaranteed by the non-slip handles of the tool. These help you to work precisely and to protect your skin from wounds and scars. Optimal operation, the attached manual contains tips and explanations of facial care and uses of the Blackhead Remover set, so you can work professionally from the very start. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.